This plane trip is super boring.
We're just about to get there. 2 miles away.
How long were we traveling again?
3 miles.
Well, do you have any TV?
Yeah. Oh. Wait a second. We didn't lift off yet.
Seriously?
I mean, we did lift off, but then we fell on the ground. And I'll just start back over again. Okay. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. Oh yeah, it's out of gas.
What? Well, I quit this trip. Wait, where are we anyways? What is that? What is that? I should hide behind here. Nobody would see me, or whatever that is.
Yoshi? 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 Yoshi, Yoshi. 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 Yoshi? Yoshi. 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 Yoshi.
Dude, your song sucks. Oh, I mean, it sounds so bad.
Yoshi! Yoshi. 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 Huh? Yoshi. 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 Oh no! Yoshi! 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 Yoshi!
Oh, that really hurts.